The Boeing Sikorsky RAH 66 Comanche is an American stealth armed reconnaissance and attack helicopter designed for the United States Army. Following decades of study and development, the RAH 66 program was canceled in 2004 before mass production began, by which point nearly US $7 billion had been spent on the program. How y'all folks doing this fine day? It's Gator here at the house. I'm so glad you stopped in to see me today. We're gonna go over the Boeing Sikorsky RAH 66 Comanche. It's a reconnaissance attack helicopter for the United States. Boeing helicopter Sikorsky aircraft. It's canceled in 2004 by the United States Army. The United States Army was the primary user, and there was two built. The Boeing Sikorsky is on display. There's my crude drawing of it. The Boeing Sikorsky was an attack helicopter designed for the United States Army. Following decades of study and development, the RAH 66 program was canceled in 2004 before mass production began, by which point nearly US $7 billion had been spent on the program. During the 1980s, the U.S. Army stated that to formulate requirements for replacement of its helicopters then in service, which resulted in the launch of the Light Helicopter Experimental 8 LHX program. Nearly a decade later, following the requirements, evaluation of submissions, and rebranding of the program as the Light Helicopter LH program. During April 1991, the Army announced the selection of the Boeing Sikorsky team's design as the contest winner, shortly after which a contract for the construction of prototypes was awarded. The Comanche was to incorporate several advanced elements such as stealth technologies and a number of previously untried designs featured. Operationally, it was employed advanced sensors in its reconnaissance role, in which it intended to designate targets to the RAH-64 Apache. It was also armed with one rotary cannon and could carry missiles and rockets in internal bays and optionally on stub wings for light attack duties. Two RAH 66 prototypes for construction underwent flight testing between 1996 and 2004. On June 1st, 2000, the program entered its $3.1 billion engineering manufacturing development (EMD) phase. However, during 2002, its Comanche program underwent heavy reconstruction, and the number of Comanches that were to be purchased was cut to 650 at the time. It's on display at the United States Army Aviation Museum, Fort Lauderdale, Alabama. The Duke, it was named after John Wayne, the actor. Jolly Green Giant was also another nickname for it. We want to do a shout out to Grandpa Blue Ice Gaming. He came to the live. Oh, there he is. He gave us this topic. I want to appreciate every one of you coming in and stopping in to see me today. Make sure you leave a comment and tell me what's on your mind, and I'll try to do my best to dissect it for you. You guys rock. You guys are one of a kind. Thank you so much for coming in. You make me happy. Appreciate you. Come on back and see me. You're one of a kind. You guys rock. Bye bye for now.